Ethan, so where are we off to?
We're going to the birds.
To the birds, yeah, to the world of birds.
Yes.
That's right.
Okay, but watch me. I want to see the snakes again.
Yeah, they got some snakes here as well. That's pretty cool, eh?
Dummy out that. Why you got dummy in?
Yes, that looks better. Yeah.
Big snakes, eh?
No snakes in here.
Dragon.
Yeah.
Huh? Look at crocodile.
Yes, that's a crocodile, eh?
Leave that there. That's a bin.
Crocodile?
Yeah, so clever. Coming to look at Aiden.
Hello. What's that? Camera? What? Ask him something.
Hello.
Who's that?
Who's that? Yes.
There's also one in the back there.
And one of them. Boys, you have to wait for us.
Nothing, Emma, Mommy. Doing chicken. He's angry bird. He's angry.
Who's the angry bird?
He's bird. He's an owl. He's an owl.
Oh yeah, what is that? That's a kestrel.
Nothing here.
Thanks. Luke.
They eat special food. I can't eat our food. Our food will make them sick.